A fluffy tail, a recognizable image, and most importantly, so that the animator inside does not feel like a squirrel in the wheel from stuffiness and discomfort. The mascot squirrel from the Nizhny Novgorod Carnival factory is thought out to the smallest detail. The animator's eyes are right in the mascot's eye area, and the ventilation holes are in the eye and mouth area. The review is excellent. It breathes easily. The suit is light. The fluffy torso with an accented tail does not overload and does not constrain movements. Included, soft shoes with rubberized soles, gloves, head, reinforced seams and a well-developed zipper on the back. No surprises in the midst of the event. Each copy undergoes 3-stage quality control, suitable for animators up to 185 centimeters tall, optimal for size 48 with a height of 175. Production time from 14 days. A universal option for children's parties, New Year's trees, amusement parks and events in shopping centers. When ordering from 3 units, individual prices and conditions. We ship all over Russia and to 160 countries around the world. Do you want a selection of similar characters or an accurate miscalculation of an individual order? Contacts for video, write, call. Carnival Factory, made in Nizhny Novgorod. We work honestly, conveniently, on time.